everyone, my name is Manish Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about peak load pricing. Peak load pricing is a strategy where prices are higher during the period of high demand and lower during the period of low demand. Peak load pricing is a strategy where prices are higher during the period of high demand and lower during the period of low demand. Very simple. For example, price of movie tickets are higher during a weekend but less in weekdays. Similar, price of airfare are higher during vacation time and less in exam time. Peak period means period of high demand. Off peak period means period of low demand. And main goal of peak load pricing, control demand during peak times by increasing price and increase demand during off peak period by reducing price. But why producer want to control their demand during a peak time? This is good for producer, na? Consumer is continuous increasing demand for their product. This is good for producer, consumer is continuous increasing demand for their product, but during short time period, producer have limited capacity to produce. He can change only variable factor like labor, but he cannot change fixed factor like building, machine, etc. Overutilization of fixed factor increase their marginal cost. That's why producer want to control their demand during a peak time by increasing a price and encourage consumer to buy product during off peak time by reducing price, because during off period time producer can easily produce, resources can easily available. Now we understand peak load pricing with the help of diagram. On x-axis we have quantities, y-axis we have price. This is marginal revenue, this is marginal revenue, this is average revenue, this is average revenue, this is marginal cost. During the period of low demand, our prices are very low. Our prices are equal to OP2 and OP2 will be called off-peak prices. And during off-peak period, our equilibrium is even. At this even, you can see our marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. But during the period of high demand, our prices are very high. Our prices are equal to OP1. OP1 prices will be called peak prices. During a peak period, our equilibrium point is E2. You can see during a peak period, no doubt our prices are high, but marginal cost also very high. So, in order to reduce marginal cost, producer will try to control demand by increasing prices during peak period and encourage a consumer to buy a product during off-peak period by reducing prices. So, this will be called peak load pricing. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.